Well, Bainer Hall got modded. Oh, wow.
Third floor. Going down.
Whoa, what the hell? This car is obviously used as the service. We'll get a better look at the other car. You can go up to 3.
First floor. Going up.
Wow. Totally redid the cab.
Third floor.
Really rings your eardrums.
Going down.
It's got that pan chrome thingy. Doesn't do shit. There's where the original indicator used to be. Still has the angled part up there, but can't really see it because they added this